Living the dream. Ooh. Yeah. Just don't look over there. It ruins the illusion. Come here. That's better. Lovely Florida beach. Cheers. It's tap water. Maybe ask yourself why I'm dressed like Bruce Campbell. It's who I aspire to be in life. I'll never rise to his level though. I don't think anyone can, to be honest. People of Florida, this is a call to y'all. Did they say y'all down there? But why am I going to Florida? It's my birthday, February 7th, and I want to share it with y'all. I'm celebrating the big 3-3. Yeah, I'm ancient. Frick. So I'm gonna be in and around the Orlando area. Want to check out Disney World, Universal Studios, do some photo walks, Kennedy Space Center. So I've left a link in the description below to join the Discord. I'm gonna have a dedicated meetup server there where you just chat, and if you're in the area, let's hang out, let's get together, just take some photos, go on some rides, sit on the beach, drink some mojitos. If you're 21, of course. I leave Saturday, February 3rd, 4th. I think it's the 4th. Shoot, what is today? It's the 4th. February 4th through February 11th. I will be down in Orlando. I've never even been to Florida before, so if you have any recommendations of cool places to check out, let me know in the comments. I've already started a list. So I want to let you guys know, it's my birthday and I want to spend it with you. Let's do it. See you there. Or here. See you here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you down there, and I'll see you in the next video. If not in Florida, see you down there. Or not, whatever. That's cool. If you don't want to hang out, whatever. No big deal. But, whatever. In the meantime, go make some art.